Now we resume the work on the GT40. We will rename the last collection as Wheels. Right after that, we will create 3 new collections. I name them A01, A02, and A03. It usually takes only 2, but sometimes you have some body shell components that need to be separated. Now, A01 is for all direct and straight body shell or paintable parts. A02 is for like spoilers or mirrors, if any. A03 is for engine paintable compartment or other parts that may mess with main AO. As you can see here, the trunk has some elements overlapping it, so we need to separate them and add them in different collections. Otherwise, the AO won't look good in the end. I left one overlapping element on the left door by purpose to show what happens when you don't separate them. You will see that when we use Phaogen. When we are done, we have to export all non-AO components. We will name them at export as base, and we will export everything as .obj file. After base, we will export every AO collection one by one. Now we open every AO file with Phaogen, and you'll have to do what I do here. Select all meshes from the right side of the app, press Vert down the menu. Quality to 100 and hemisphere turned on. With the last option, you can play with it based on your preferences. This is what happens when you don't separate overlapping meshes. Now we're going back to fix this in order to have a beautiful ambient occlusion on our mod.
Don't say you're on the road.
Okay, now that we are done with AO, we need to prepare the Zodeler workflow. How to do that? It's actually pretty easy to understand. You have a viewport, texture browser, and a material browser. We will use the texture browser first, in order to add some V-share textures and our RM models textures. Just do as I do here. When you import the already AO'd meshes, you will need to set the viewport to left and then rotate it by y-axis to 180 degrees. Now I'll show you how to make the car paint material. In order to do that, just pay attention to how I set this material and you won't have any problems afterwards. After paint material have been applied, we will need to import the base file with all the other meshes, which will add all the materials we need to make in the material browser. Do what I do. Those glasses looking weird, don't they? Let's fix them before ending this tutorial. Open Material Browser and search your glasses materials. Move them to the bottom, don't forget. Interior glass is above exterior glass. Then add your glass textures and apply them to the glasses materials.
That's all for today. Your turn to try. Don't forget that on my Discord you can chat with me about this process, and you can also find many 3D models you may need to exercise your mod conversion. See you next time.